Mheshimiwa kwa kwanete iguru yegetigia Jomo Kenyatta.
Yes.
Amangana ya nae kwa manyeti Jomo Kenya.
Yes.
Nakikwa usina nakikwa nyoleta amangana ya. How did you get to that information?
Wana aruete gusia ka Nairobi then mwana nare tokora nere media okoro sumo.
All right.
Osuma ngagere simya ndenga yore kama theya njirande na ikire Bomet Nairobi nguchande na atumire bintu getu chabu birigere ringo.
Okay.
I didn't even check. Onegere na ikire narugutira okungakira nande. On the inquiry bintu biri kama Osuma, why you so personal about living there? And they know birigere bintu ina atomerwa. No mwana gete friend yeito.
Okay.
Ole France. Ole France. Kiago koro mwana uyu agandebya yo mugambi gake onye ngwanja karaligerie bintebi nkamuboli give me a brief because the papers were like 12 so I had not looked so na mnyi think yale ngoro agandebya abantu mbaro bachire ba signed the agreement airport ya Kenya agreement signed 2 weeks ago company ekoro kwa dani gere ya baindi Minister cha Kenya na bantu abanene bakugamba Kenya na upal bali part of the deal. A problem ye DNA digo libakobeka uchikwaga cha airport times 2 boko mu India uchikosha buna dani a position cha airport chons cha Kenya nero kulika abantu including foreigners cha airport chons cha Kenya to uchinjikende until airport yenene yabeire na anda abantu aba na uba uchikutwara cha airport chons cha Kenya for 30 years. On top of that, the Kenya government, I think at that time, it was something like 60 billion. I then, most people mbaliko understand, but Sifuna nalikuwa nete ready goro.
Okay.
Nkamanya go akera Sifuna. Amate mwami, where are you? And they were in the Senate. Can I come and meet you? Yes. Amate tata banda around the airport. They what? Bantu kiaba ngama the William nango abantu abonzi bari ubugambi bonzi bako mwako yo tole nere ndi nabirigo ya ngamwa the detailing kamwa to gakora then ngabeke then akarenko genda ngo kikobeke gento kelia bune press ngacha abantu be ali umayete bunge tubwate na yes kamuraba bere bae na yes baje bandebya igende kikwale koragitira ngaboli seki Atayaba tumesikia hii kitu ni chafu na si mzuri kuharibu jina ya wakubwa. Sasa ungeongoja kidogo ndio tukuambie vile itakuwa. Bono jirende experience ngo konyere. Konyo anangainire. Ngameke statement kanyire flow.
Right.
Kaya kagali flow ngatayaba baoniri abaibya abaguroswa. Baoniri bintu bya Kenya bakolire igo bakoli paka mabera abana baoniri chipaki chonsi pi forest bakobogolia chinyomba che serikali baibere chonsi pi amale bokuru kitale moino ADC ogendelamu yani ngabikiri ndinga abaibya bona bali bagakuminga nama eno mundu yakwana nando nyonko jakire drama Mambiaye Sifuna agacha akanangeria takaenda no lekina no muntu ko restore mazayo. Those are 3 senators ba ODM. Oyo moyo lekina agandebye gentegetige ngaboli mazayo aya naboroche gente kingwete getinga agandebye abantu baito kilivi abainde bago chakobe airport gesiekere ya nando tache kabisa ayerende Sifuna agande mwami ita butora ogo Kenya ebe chingeni. Ali no tu abera tabazani no mushuri. Kamanya kuimoka tukageita ngoro tukagesenyenta bakareta mbadi konyoro iru chama kima oirwa amaliga yakugira muna abimbete godebanga kende nkeyoga Mambia aye William akaenda gatebanga ndani yatigurwe ekiagara bamanyete nga bakoye ubese kurwa IMF na World Bank bachikoyorosi